Hello, this is how we jive from Mars Communication here. I'm again with another video. In this, I'm going to show you how you can recover an iPhone which is locked. You forget the locking code. You can't unlock your phone. This is iPhone 13 base version, could be any version of iPhone. This should be your phone. You have to know all the information, your Apple account, your password. You may need to recover. If you don't have, you can't use this anymore. Let's go to computer. So in this case, you have to connect your cable. This is cable connected with iMac or Windows computer, whatever you want. And you have to hold two side button here, volume down button in this case, and the power button. And put your face because he may ask your face ID. Let's see, you have to shut down because you can't shut down. So we'll shut down here. That's all. Now we go to computer. So you see I hold the power button and it's connected with my PC. Okay, so you can see here I hit restore button here. So in this case, now we have to click install. We have to install some new operating system in the phone. Continue is downloading. We have to wait. So after downloading all the important updates, we come to this screen. You have to continue, agree all the term and condition. Hit agree. At the bottom, you can see downloading iPhone setting update here. 4 minutes remaining. So I have to wait. As you can see here, the iPhone logo here, and it still is restoring the software. So it's loading new operating system, new iOS. So you can see here, your iPhone has been restored to the factory setting. It's done, guys. So you can see this iPhone is blocked. You have to put your original iCloud and password to unlock this phone. If you put something mistake or unusual, it will not work. So let's go. Do the setup as you have done for the first time. Put your country, your region and language and continue. Now here you have to put your email address as you see and your password as you had before. So the email address and password is accepted. You have to hit continue. Now it's done. It asks you your face ID. Put your face ID and continue. Now you have to put a new code or unlock your phone, so be careful. Put the code that you can remember and continue. So the phone is recovering. You can see here downloading application. So let's continue. So the iPhone is done here, is ready to use, is recovered from all the problem we had before. So this is the way you can recover your iPhone if it's blocked. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.